Hello everyone, how are you? Welcome to English classes at RADHIKA Rinesh. And today we are going to learn the topic review writing. Okay, let's look at the ingredients of a review writing in newspaper. So, what are the essential things should be included in the review which is written for a newspaper? Newspaper reviews are designed to share the author's experience with a particular subject. That means it may be a restaurant, movie, service, etc. with the larger public. So, by writing a review on a newspaper, we are trying to, or the reviewer is trying to express his views on certain things like restaurant, movie, service, or something others. Maybe it may be a book review or something else. Anyway, he is expressing his own experience with an element or with the experience that he had. Then it may be positive or negative. A review is highly subjective and based upon the author's unique and personal experience. And we know that it may be, that is, reviews of two types. Positive reviews are there and negative reviews are also there. So the author or the writer is sharing his or her own experience, and sometimes he had a very positive experience that he is going to share in his review. Sometimes he or she may have negative experiences that he is sharing in the newspaper. So anyway, the newspaper review may be negative, or sometimes it may be positive, and it is subjective also, because the reviewer or the writer is writing his or her own perspective or his or her own experience. So it is subjective, or he or she is stating his or her own experience or opinion regarding a particular thing. And so, informal language and tone is used in the text. The writing usually attempts to recreate the experience for the reader. So, as it is subjective and informal language, that is, it's not so formal because the author is writing his or her own experience, and it is subjective. So a subjective language or an informal language is used to recreate the experience for the reader. Actually, by writing a review, the author or the writer is communicating to the readers on his or her own experience by using that thing. So actually it is a kind of recreating the events, that the experience to the readers. So informal language is used by the writer while writing reviews. So now let's see what are the things to be reviewed in a newspaper. And reviews can be written on different topics such as books, movies, or TV show reviews. And we know that people are often writing reviews on books. Books reviews are very famous or very popular nowadays. And movie reviews are also there. Movie reviews means a person is watching a movie and he or she is reviewing it, whether it is worth watching or not. That is movie reviews. And TV show reviews. That is, nowadays TV shows are very popular among youth. Not only youth, but almost all age groups, among all age groups. And a person who is continuously watching such shows are reviewing this show, and he is expressing his own perspective or point of view regarding the show. And concert reviews. And concert, by listening to a concert, a person can write reviews whether it is good or not. Then museum and gallery exhibits. And while visiting a museum, you can write a review on the museum, whether it is a very good museum or just a show up. And everything can be written in a review. New restaurants or clubs. If you are visiting a restaurant and you may have experienced some good elements or good experience or bad experience will be there in a restaurant. So you can write a review on the basis of your experience. It may be good or bad. We have already said that a review may be good or bad. It is up to the writer. And what's going on at college or community that impacts you. You can write reviews on your college events, that is maybe some sports or arts event that is happening or that is being celebrated in your college, and you can write reviews on such occasions. And the community things, so that is sometimes you can observe some issues are there in our community or in our society, and you can review those elements, and you can write your own experience, your own opinion regarding those incidents. So you can write reviews on all these elements or all these topic in a newspaper. Okay, now I think you have understood the video that is review writing in newspaper. And here I have just said about the things that should be reviewed in a newspaper or the way in which a review is being made. Okay, in the next class I will share some more elements on review writing. Okay, so bye. If you have before that I should have to ask you something. If you have any right, please ask me your doubts. Okay, anyway, thank you.